So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix lag and overheating problems in any heavyweight game. This video is for low-end users and gamers, and in this video I have shown various tips and tricks to fix lag and overheating problems to get a constant high FPS. So if you have a low-end device and you are suffering from these problems, then just keep watching this video to the end and just hit that like button. And if you are new to our channel, so just subscribe it for more these type of videos. Today's like game is 100 likes. I hope you all will complete it. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So first of all, I will show you some settings. For that, just open your settings app, and after opening the settings, just search for display and brightness. Click on it and make sure that you have disabled your auto brightness. It will prevent your phone from overheating and battery draining fast. Just disable it. If it's turned on, just disable it. And while gaming, don't play your games in high brightness. Just play it at low brightness to prevent overheating, and your device will also give better FPS if you will play at low brightness. It's a trick, just use it and try it. It's a trick, just try it once. After that, just search for sound and vibrations. Just click on it and disable all the vibration. It will prevent your phone from overheating. Just disable them and also disable vibrate on tone. Just disable all the vibrations. Then go back and search for battery. Just click on it. And if your power saving mode is turned on, just turn it off while gaming. Don't enable it while gaming or your phone will lag or give low FPS while gaming. Then search for the option custom power saver, and if you have the option of this, so you are very lucky. Just click on it and select here the apps which you don't want to run in background, and just select the apps which you don't want to run in background. For example, I will select here Facebook Live. Just click on it and just disable background running here. As default, it will be set as smart restriction for background running, but you have to just disable the background running if you want. And search for your game which you play and in which you want to fix the lag, and just select allow background running to get the maximum performance while gaming. Just select allow background running and disable all the background running of the app which you want. Then just go back and click on save power if you are getting an option of this, and click on extend battery life. But now I am not going to do this or it will close my screen recording. After that, just go to back and search for account and sync, and if it is enabled, so just disable it. It will prevent your phone from fast battery draining and also fix overheating, and it will also fix the high ping problem. So just disable this. After that, just go to app management and select your game here which you play and in which you want to fix the lag, and go to storage usage and clear the cache. Don't clear data or you have to download all the resources once again. just clear the cache. It will just remove all the junk files which are storing in your game, so your game will run much smoother than before. And go back, and if you have an inbuilt game booster in your phone, just click on it. But if you don't have an inbuilt game booster, so you can just use Gamer's Gear tool. The video link is given in description. Just watch it after this video. That's the best game booster for gaming. After that, if you are getting an option of graphics acceleration, so just enable this option for the best performance. After that, just go back and go to About Phone and just click on your build number, version or your software version. And as you can see that I have already enabled the developer options. Now just go to additional settings and go to developer options. Today I am going to show you some different settings, so just enable. Just scroll down and there you will get the option of background process limit. Just click on it and set as no more than one process. And after enable this, if you will getting problems or any problems, then you can just select no more than 2 processes or no more than 3 processes. But if you have a low-end device and you want to just fix the lag, so just select no more than one processor. After that, you will get the option of don't keep activities. And if you have a low-end device and if you want to fix lag in any cost, so you can just enable this. This will just delete the activities which are running in background. This may occur some problems like if you will leave the game, it will automatically closed. So you can just try it once if you will get better performance. But if you are getting some problems, so you can just disable this. After that, scroll up and there will get the option of disabled HW overlays. Just enable this. It will give more performance while gaming at the cost of battery draining fast. Just enable it if you want more performance. After you will get the option of Force 4x MSAA. It works different on some devices. Just try it once. If you are getting benefits by using this option, you can just use it or you can just disable this. After that, just scroll up. There will get the option of force use of GPU for 2D drawing. Just enable this. It will fix rendering problems in your device. Then just you will get a window animations which you have to just disable to get more performance. Just disable this animations. After that, just notice one thing, if you will reboot your device, these settings will automatically reset. So if you are rebooting your device, so just enable these settings once again. Now I will show you a application to fix lags. It's a Fstim booster for low-end devices. To just install it, just open Play Store and search for lag fix trimmer. Type here lag fix trimmer. And after that you will get the app. Just install this. Just wait till it will install. Now just go to home screen and you will get this app here. Just open this app. Here you will get two options, cache and data. Just select both options and click on stream and run. It will just stream your cache and data, so your games will run in more FPS, and it's done. And now I will just show you an app to stop background running applications, and it will fix overheating, battery draining fast and lags. So I just recommend you to use this app. For that, just open Zarchiver. If not installed, the link is given in the description, you can install it. Open this and download the file, link I have given in the description, named as Hibernator. This app is the pro version, so you will not get it in Play Store, you will get the normal version in Play Store. Just click on it and extract here. Give the password in capital letters, hi. Just give it the password like me, high tech gamers, and just click on OK. And as you can see, it's extracted. Now you have to just install this app. Click on install. And it's successfully installed. Now just go to home screen. There we get this app named as Hibernator. Just open this app. And there you will get like this interface. It will show the uses of your RAM, hibernated apps, launched apps, and available memory. Just enable here system ads. So it will also stop the system ads which are running in background. And if you are thinking about that this app is dangerous, so don't think about that, because it will just stop the useless apps. It's the safe app, you can use it. Then just click here and just click show the settings to give the permissions. Here you will get the option of Hibernator. Just click on it and enable this, and it's enabled. Now just go back, again click on this icon and again click on show the settings to give one more permission. Then just enable the Hibernator option. Then the last click, just click on it. It will take a huge time to complete this. Apps are successfully hibernated. Sorry I can't show you, because when I am hibernating all the apps, my screen recorder also have been hibernated by this app, so it have been closed and I can't record that. So guys, till here only for today. I just worked hard to make this video. I just want a like and a subscribe if you are new to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Meet you in the next video. To change your